Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Google Analytics for WordPress. So very simple and basic way. Walk cursor to plugins, then click on add new. Now here search Google. You will see Sitekit by Google, Analytics, Search Console, AdSense and Speed. Just click on install now. Then here guys you have to click on activate. Now wait for a few seconds. Now click on start setup. Check this box, connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup. Activate Google Analytics to track how much traffic you are getting and how people navigate your website. Then click on sign in with Google. Click on continue. Click on next. Then click on allow. Then click on next. Next. So as we can see now, successfully created and we connected Analytics with WordPress website. Just select, you will see here your property, your website domain, then click on configure analytics. Here click on proceed. Again allow settings. That's it. So like this guys, you can add Google Analytics in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not.